Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Learning Exploring Keep Shining. Today we are going to start Python. This is a complete Python series. In this we have to learn the whole Python. Firstly, if you don't subscribe the channel, then go and subscribe. Also like and share video. Let's start. The first question that comes to our mind is why we choose Python over another programming language. Let's search on Google. Top programming languages. We see Python is at the top of the list. Yes, that's the reason Python is developing language. The next question comes, why Python is at the top? Python is at the top because it is a free open source that is easily available on the internet. It's easy to learn and use. Next one. What is Python? It is a widely used programming language. It is an interpreted language. Python is an object-oriented language. It is a high-level language with dynamic semantics that's made it easy to use and learn. Next is, who created Python? Any guess? Let's see. Guido van Rossum. Born in 1956. Haarlem, Netherlands. Thank you for your interest and time. Please, guys, subscribe, like, and share. I hope you will support me. Thank you once again.